Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi everyone. I hope you are all doing well. I welcome you all in class of O level mathematics. My name is Azmat Ali, and our discussion is continue on further sets. Uh, the book that I am following here is the new Syllabus Mathematics series by Dr. Yeap Ban-Har. From this book, in today's lecture, we will discuss a very short question. Question number 1, that is related to the Venn diagram. In this question, we will discuss how can we represent the given sets on Venn diagram, how to find intersection and union and their complements by using Venn diagram. So this question says we have a universal set that is denoted here the Greek letter which is read as xi. This Greek letter is denoted read as xi. This is used here for universal set. Usually we denote universal set by the capital letter U, but in this book the writer is using this Greek letter xi for universal set. This xi consists on all those elements x which are positive integers but less than 16. The set I is multiple of 4. The set j is factor of 8. The first part is list all the elements of xi, I, j in the set notation. In the second part, we have to draw Venn diagram to represent the sets xi, I and j. And in the third part, we have to make a Venn diagram of complement of I union j and I intersection j complement. So let us start. Firstly, we list all the elements of xi, I and j. The first set is xi, which is here universal set. This set consists on all the positive integers which are less than 16. Uh, you know the elements which are greater than the integers which are greater than 0 are called the positive integers. So the first positive integer is 1, second is 2, third is 3, 4, up to so on, last is 15. We have to write all positive integers which are less than 16. So the last element will be 15. The next set is I. The set I consists on all those elements which are multiple of 4. Multiple of 4 means 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. The second set is J. The set J is a set consists on factor of 8. Factor of 8 means all those elements that divides 8. So first element is 1, second is 2, third is 4, and the fourth one is 8 itself. Now to make the diagram, Venn diagram of these sets, the first and the important thing is we have to check is the intersection of I and j is empty or non-empty. So you can see here the intersection of I and j is consists on two elements 4 and 8 which is non-empty. The second one you can see here both sets I and j are not equal, they are not same. This shows that if two sets I and j are not equal and their intersection is also non-empty, this shows that I and j are overlapping sets. These are called overlapping sets. Two sets are called overlapping if they are not equal and if their intersection is non-empty. This is the compulsory part to find whether set is overlapping, disjoint, or one set is the subset of other. Then on the base of these cases, three cases, we can draw the Venn diagram very easily. So next to draw Venn diagram, firstly we draw a rectangle. This rectangle shows universal set. So this is my universal set xi. Next I will draw here two circles. Each circle represent the set. This is my first set I. As both sets I and j have non-empty intersection, so the next set will be an intersecting circle. So this is my another set j, that is an intersecting circle. Now we plot. Now we write every each element of set I and j. As their intersection consists on 4 and 8, so this is the intersecting area. So this area has two elements 4 and 8. So this is I intersection j. Now the remaining elements of I are is only 12. So we will write 12 here. The remaining elements of j are 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Because 4 and 8 is common element between both I and j, so we will write these two elements 4 and 8 only once a time. Next, the remaining elements which are the elements of your xi, we can write them here. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 already have been written. 9, 10, okay. Next we find solve this third part. In third part we have to find I union complement of I union j and I intersection j complement by using Venn diagram. Firstly we discuss its a part. In a parts we need to find complement of a union I union j. Here I union j. This is a set that contain both elements of set I and j. So without repetition. So this consists on from the Venn diagram. These 4 and 8 are the common elements. 1 and 2 belong to set j and 12 belong to set I. So I union j consists on 1, 2, 4, 8, 12. Clearly I union j complement is the set of elements outside I union j. So the elements outside the elements of I union j consist on elements 3, 5, 6, 7. These elements will belong to complement of I union j. 7, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14 and 15. Next, in the second part we need to find I intersection j complement. I intersection j complement. J complement are the elements outside the j. So the elements outside the j consist on the first element is 12 and all the elements in the rectangles. Here j complement consists on all the elements in the rectangle, which is 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14 15 and one of the element that belong to set I, which is 12. Lastly, I intersection J complement clearly contain only a single element, that is 12. From the Venn diagram, you can see that there is a single element 12 here. This is a single element that is common in both region region I and region J complement. So the last part is a singleton set that contain the element 12. So in today's lecture we have discussed the case of intersecting circle and explain it by using Venn diagram. Inshallah, in the next lecture we will discuss two further cases. One is of case of disjoint sets, and one is when one of the set A is subset of set B. So I hope now you have a clear understanding of today's lecture. So see you in the next lecture. Take care. Allah Hafiz.